Hey guys, welcome back to MATHit School. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and subtract polynomials so that you can solve a problem that looks like the following. Now, for those of you who already know how to solve this, you can go ahead, pause this video, solve it yourself, and come up with an answer for this question. And then once you come up with the answers, you can post your answers in the comment section down below so you can check whether you got this question right or not once I reveal the correct answer in just minutes. Now, for those of you who just want to watch me solve this step by step, you can stay tuned because I'm gonna get started right now. So, when you have two polynomials that are being added like these, what you need to do is you need to group like terms together. And what I mean by like terms, what I mean by like terms is, for example, x squared and x squared, negative 1x squared, for example, those are like terms. And these plus 2 and minus 2, those are both integers, meaning they are also like terms. So you need to combine them together. For example, so you combine plus 2 and minus 2 and compute that together. And since x and x here are also like terms, you combine these two together. So you can rewrite this whole expression as x plus 2 minus 2. And if I go ahead and compute this, I can get rid of plus 2 and minus 2 because they are equal to 0. I end up with 2x, and that'll be the answer for the first question. So by combining these like terms, I can simplify the expression and come up with much simpler expression. So for the second question, I can say x squared, negative x squared, those are like terms. 3x, it doesn't have a pair. It's the only term that has x. And negative 3, it's the only integer, so it doesn't have a pair. So what I can do is x squared, negative x squared, combine those together. And then I have 3x, and then I have negative 3, sorry. And first part gets eliminated, becomes 0. All there's left for me to do is write 3x minus 3, and that'll be my final answer. Now, so let's finally move on to our original problem. 6e raised to the power of 5 minus 4e minus 8e cubed plus 5e minus 11e e raised to the power of 4 plus 2e raised to the power of 5. So let's categorize all the like terms. So this e raised to the power of 5 term, how many e5 terms do we have? We have one here and another here. So let's circle them together and rewrite in the front. Okay, and then the next term would be e raised to the power of 4, and there's only one, so let's write it right next to our e5. And since we have already written it down, let's circle that too. How about e3? How many e3 do we have? We have only one, so let's go ahead and write that down next and circle the one that we have already written down. And then do we have any e squared term? And the answer is no. How about just e? We have two. One is negative 4e, and another is plus 5e. And since we have already written down, let's make a mark, and we are done transcribing all the terms in different order so that we will not get confused. Next step is to combine like terms and simplify. So for like terms, such as these two, you can think of e5 as a variable. So for example, if you have 6x plus 2x, it'll be 8x. So what you do is you combine the coefficients of e5 and combine it together to form just one term. So in this case, you'll have 8e5. And then we have only one e4, so that's not further simplified. Another e cubed, only one, so that is not going to be simplified either. But here we have two e terms which can be combined into one by combining these coefficients together, and I'll end up with plus 1e or just e. So 8e raised to the power 5 minus 11e raised to the power 4 minus 8e cubed plus e will be my final answer if I combine all the like terms together. So that'll be my final answer. Alright, I hope this video helped you to learn how to add and subtract polynomials according to organizing them into like terms. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos in algebra and geometry. Thanks for watching, and I'll come back with more helpful videos later on. Bye!